Hey, do you like to craft on a budget? I love doing DIYs, and you get out there and you see all these really cool Halloween projects or items, decor items at the store, and they're so expensive. It's like, I am not spending that much money on a decor item for Halloween. So you're in the right spot. You're in the right spot today. Today I'm gonna make a real cool crow. My dog is rolling around out there. So today I'm inspired by Mackenzie Childs decor items, and I think this crow is gonna fit right into my decor. I'd like to thank Christina. Christina is the host of this, and she is from DIY Mommy. You'll love her challenge. She is so talented. And there's a great playlist. Go check it out in the description down below. I'm Sandy Mackenzie of the LumberMill DIY. If you like to see crafts, DIYs, how-tos on a budget, you've come to the right place. Smash my subscribe button, ring my bell, and let's chat. You, me, in the comments below. Let's go. Take this piece of 1x8, and I drew a crow on a piece of paper. I kind of like that knot. Use that later. But so I drew it on a piece of paper, and I'm pretty happy with it. So I'm just going to trace it out. I'm going to use some gray transfer paper and put the transfer paper down. To transfer it, or to trace it, you can use a pencil, a pen, a stylus, whatever you have on hand. So I'm just going to trace this crow. Then I'm going to cut it out on my scroll saw. Okay, I'm gonna cut this crow out on my Delta scroll saw. This is old as the hills, and I'm gonna be safe today. I'm gonna wear my PPE. I'm gonna wear my mask. I'm gonna wear some safety glasses. I'm gonna wear earmuffs. I'm gonna have my fingers on either side of the blade or behind the blade. I'm not gonna put them in front of the blade so I don't cut my fingers. And this is the on and off switch. This is the feet. It holds your board down so it doesn't jump and bounce. And this is a little air blower, so it blows the dust away. And make sure you're not wearing any loose fit clothing around any machinery, so you don't get caught up in the machinery. And I'm also gonna watch my cord for my mic. Okay, here I go. Take my Dollar Rowney black, paint them up. I have a little bit of Floetrol and some black here. I like to use Floetrol instead of water because it doesn't change the properties of the paint. So I usually get Floetrol. It's pretty cheap. It's you can get a big jug of it, and you can get it at like Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, those type of stores. Mind you, I am from Canada, but when the border was opened, I used to go across, and I've got a big jug of it. And I don't know what I'm gonna do when I run out. I'm gonna have to try to find it in Canada, but I don't think I'll run out anytime soon. Cute. I just took some Kirkland ribbon from, it's wired, and I got it at Costco, and I'm just going to, not sure where my glue gun is, so I'm just going to put it on with an elastic. There we go. All I did was I pleated the top and the bottom, and then I'm just gonna make a hat. And this will be the brim of the hat. I just took some Kirkland ribbon from, it's wired, and I got it at Costco, and I'm just going to, not sure where my glue gun is, so I'm just going to put it on with an elastic. So I'm going to put some color with alcohol inks, just some oranges, yellows, and pinks on this Dollar Tree store candlestick. And then I'm also going to tie a raffia bow probably. I'm just going to use some old paint brushes. Actually, you can even use fingernail polish. Gonna get a bit of a palette out. This orange, tangerine orange. Just gonna put it in this palette right here. And I like to use 91% isopropyl alcohol ink with mine. Like you can get these ones flowing again. Okay, let's do some orange. Okay, I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm stapling it. Oh my gosh. Seems so much easier this week with the staples. There. So she's got a cute little hat, cute little stand.